Come on. Guys, jump down. This is a good way to get views. Jump down. Oh, jump.
Yeah, bro.
You don't get fall damage. Fuck you. Ow. No, we found a skull. His name is Paul. It's a good way to get views.
Hold on, let me hit it. Hold on. One more. Oh.
My turn. Ah, never mind.
Wait, bro. Where's the monsters? Oh shit. I'm doing this for the vine. Ah shit. Fuck.
How do I help?
You have to type in like the thingy-mabobs. No uppercase though.
Frick.
Dumbo. I'm dead. Rest in peace. My lovebirds. I don't hear this.
I don't know. What? That was correct one though. Dude? Cameraman? So yeah, one of us just died. Where are you? About from the ship. They're both dead. I don't know if the other one's dead. I must to make sure, but for now, see. One's alive.